my rotation, and that kind of pisses me off. Yes, die to give me wings.
Nobody's here.
Literally. Okay, a few questions. One, where's my heals? Two, why is there volcanic in melee range? Jamie, can you not stand in melee and fuck us like that, please?
Was it in melee?
Then why was volcanic in melee?
Because there's only one range, so it goes into someone else's left.
It doesn't. If there's one range, it goes on you constantly.
Look
It
back
goes
on
on
the rock,
anyone
then,
that stood at range. It's not like it doesn't target people.
Jimmy, you're gonna start healing people.
It's
What
not
do you mean I should
targeted
go back
based on
there and
stat.
die?
It's just-
You were there on
Okay.
my screen, Jamie. We have 11 deaths already!
I think my next expansion will be 3 times as much time lost to this death.
Good. Jimmy, I'm gonna die unless you heal me. Please, dude.
I was literally in the casting a heal on you.
What do you mean? It's one pack of mobs, Jamie, please. I'm not even getting hit by, like, avoidable AoEs, man.
Interrupt. Watch your step. Interrupt.
What is
I don't know what
going
you expect me to do when they pull multiple packs which have a massive ore on them, which deals 400k each deck.
Well, before that, with the free pull, mate. Oh, tank left. No interrupts. I mean, I just kept dying, so I couldn't interrupt. Oh, to be fair, interrupts overall is literally 0. But like,
Hank has an interrupt, you have an interrupt, I think everyone in your group has an interrupt.
yeah, but I died before the cast even went off. I died before I could even. Anyway, that's today's Mythic Plus. Thanks for watching.